Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to enable vibrate on ring setting in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to enable your vibrate on ring setting, so friends you can enable it. And friends, now let's see how to enable vibrate on ring setting in our Realme phone. And guys, how can you use in this video? I will show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, we will on our phone setting to enable vibrate on setting, then guys scroll it. So once you can see your sound and vibration setting, guys tap here, and guys you can use guys your sound and vibration setting here guys, and guys you can see vibrate on ring setting. So once you want to enable, so once you can enable from this right side. So guys your vibrate on ring setting will enable in your Realme phone guys. So guys your phone will vibrate while ringing. So like that guys, you want to enable, so you can enable your vibrate on ring setting in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.